Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we're working on a Stihl BR55. It won't start because the choke doesn't seem to be working. Okay, let's get this air cleaner off. You just squeeze this tab and the cover pops right off. Well, there's the problem. The choke is stuck on and the lever isn't working. Pay attention to that little washer there right by my finger. So as you can see, this whole lever mechanism isn't working right. It's two pieces and it's not joined together anymore. Let's tear apart this backing plate and see what's going on.
Shit. Where did that go?
Yep, you're right. That little washer is some kind of compression crimp washer that holds everything together. After messing with it for a little while, I realized I'm still going to have to remove the backing plate. You can see how the two pieces will lock together, but that little washer is the retaining ring. After making sure everything lines up the way it should, I install the washer and make sure it's crimped properly. Alright, this is working pretty good. Let's give it a shot. I reinstall the backing plate with the choke mechanism. I install the filter and the cover. Okay, let's fire this thing up and see how it runs. Hey Cuzzy, I got your blower working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.